Good afternoon. It's January the 13th, 2017. Time to wrap up our trading for today and take a look at what could happen Monday night on Martin Luther King's restart of the market after Martin Luther King's holiday. There is no trading on Monday. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations, unlike an actual performance record. Simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have or are overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as the lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, we've had a good week. Most of the trading has gone according to plan. We came into the E-mini today with an up bias. We thought we would trade and retest the 75, 77 area. Certainly get above 70. The high turned out to be 73.75. On our last update, we said if we didn't break the market right now, look for a close at 68, 67, and I think that's where we're going to be. The monkey trading, all profitable, all through here, scratches. Finally, a monkey trade, profitable. The key on the E-mini again is getting long or short pretty close to the opening, then riding it out till midday, catching that first move. If you don't do that, it's pretty hard to prosper. Taking a look at the F1 screen on the E-mini. Higher low, higher high. We can trade higher on Tuesday. Looking at the F2 screen. It is a P, volumes above time. Can trade higher on Tuesday. We'll obviously take a pretty hard look at it come Tuesday morning. Resistance begins at 72, so first sell at 72.75. Second trade 79.81. On the buy side, 64.66 and 60.62. So basically trying to buy 60.65s and sell the 70.75 area. Okay, moving on to the note, and again, we'll be revisiting this on Monday. Treasuries have been hit pretty hard. Economic news this morning and inflation were against treasuries. They sold. That's the nice thing about treasuries. Most of the time, not every time, they do follow the fundamental news. Lower high, lower low, look for a place to sell it. And you can definitely see that we got ourselves a pretty strong B going right here. Last rotate up was stopped at 25. We're at 22, so 24, 28, sell 1. 31.03, sell 2. On the buy side, last rotate down stopped at 18, so 13 to 17, buy 1. And 5 to 9, buy 2. They're still talking about this ice storm. They're getting a little more confident that we got at least 2 days of ice here. Sure hope they're wrong. It's never any fun. Okay, in our trading in the bond today, we talked about short covering rally at the end of the session. In this G period, mark it down, do a split. We've had a strong move in the AM session. We usually get a counter move in G and H period. Last rotate up stopped at 10, so 8 to 12 is 1. 15 to 19, sell 1. 27.31, sell 2. No news to speak of on next Tuesday. 28 to the buck, number 1. 21.25, buy 1. 9 to 13, buy 2. We like the downside. We came into the day looking to get short based on what happened yesterday. That turned out to be correct. We also had news that made it pretty obvious that you should be on the short side of the market. Gold had a nice short covering rally. It went with the news this morning, as it is prone to do. Lower high, lower low off F1. Find a place to sell it. Or F2 screen. Leaning P, but not overwhelmingly so. So 99.01, sell 1. That worked well for us today. 4 to 6, sell 2. On the buy side, 90.92, buy 1. 85.87, buy 2. Looking at crude. We like the short side coming in today. It produced a couple of good trades for us. Lower high, lower low. Look for a place to sell it. And the day session, definitely a B. Volume and time are matched. So we find ourselves where we've been pretty much all day. Make it 50 to 75, sell 1, we'll lower it. 53, 53 and a quarter, sell 2. On the buy side, 52, 52 and a quarter, buy 1. And 51, 50, 51, 75, buy 2. We'll redo these numbers come Monday morning. Okay, the euro's had a lot of volatility. It's been a great market to trade. In fact, Raul is trading crude in the euro now because of the volatility. And Raul came to us as a successful E-mini trader. Had a bottom line, has a bottom line, but he doesn't have the requisite volatility that he needs. Inside day, trading range. As a day trader, you need volatility if you're going to make money. It's very difficult to do that. And if you're stuck with one market, and everybody really overemphasizes the E-mini, in my opinion, then you really have to know what you're doing. You just don't have to take trades. 106.75, sell 1. 107, sell 2. 106.50, buy 1. 106.25, buy 2. Okay, I hope you all have a great weekend, that you get to do what you want to do. If the weather cooperates. Henry gets his bath late this afternoon. He's actually pretty easy to bath. He's I don't know if he's resigned to it or not, but Newfoundlands love water, and he's not too hard. He bathes me, though. I get as wet as he does. He just will not stop shaking. And with that said, may all your football teams and basketball teams win this weekend, and I'll see you bright and early Tuesday morning. I am out of here.